fraction cakes. Yeah. First, I'm going to give these out to you. All the stuff that we are using today to do with the math size has been taken from BBC Skills-wise online and can be accessed very easily by anybody. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is matching up diagrams and fractions. Okay, if you can see down the right hand side you've got lots of pictures of cakes, shaded and unshaded. And down the left hand side you've got fractions. We have a third, 3/4, 7/8, 1/10, 1/5 and 5/6. What we're looking at doing is matching the fraction to the circle.
Creative.
Educational. What have you done? Good. Today's event has been absolutely brilliant.
Amazing. I have never known maths to smell so delicious.
Sumptuous.
Great.
Fantastic. I'll definitely come again.
Yummy.
So we've had a fantastic day today here at the Baking with Friends and Cyberspace event for Spring Online here at Peterborough Women's Centre. I've never known my IT suite to smell so absolutely deliciously scrummy. We've had the learners enjoying looking at fractions and maths in relation to baking, and also searching online for recipes that they can find useful. All in all, a really great event.